Hi, I'm Sandy from Special Fork, and today we're going to have fun with a microwave. I'm going to show you how to toast nuts and melt chocolate, and we're going to put it together in some really fun confections. I'm going to take the almonds and put it in a single layer in a microwave-safe dish. And I'm going to let this sit for a minute, and then I'm going to continue to microwave in increments, 1-minute increments, until the nuts start to have a nice fragrance and has a just light golden color. The nuts smell really good, and you can tell they're ready by their color. I'm going to put them in a bowl to cool because they're not going to get crisp until they're nice and cool. In the meantime, I'm going to melt the chocolate. Again, in the microwave-safe dish, in a single layer, and it's going to go in for a minute. Chocolate chips are really meant to stand up to heat in baking. So you can't tell by looking whether they're melted or not. So you take a fork and just kind of mix them up. And you can see they're getting a little tacky, but they're nowhere near melted. So I'm going to put them in the oven, microwave oven, for another 30 seconds. And I'm going to continue to microwave 30 seconds at a time until they're ready. Let's see how they're doing now. They're much more melted, and I can start to bring the chips together more, but they're not quite ready. So I'm going to get them all in a nice pile here and give it another 30 seconds. I can tell the difference now. The chocolate is very melty, and all I need to do is stir this up to get some of the smaller pieces to incorporate into the whole. I want it to be nice and smooth. And there we go. So what do we do with this chocolate? I'm going to take an apricot and stuff it with one of our almonds, one of our toasted almonds. And I'm going to dip it in the chocolate, like so. Just catch all the drips and put it on a wax paper lined tray. You can also do it with strawberries, and this is a lovely dessert, so easy. Get your strawberry nicely coated, twirl it to get rid of drips, and again, lay it on your wax paper lined sheet. You can also dip pretzels and any kind of dried fruit. You can also dip potato chips. That's great and yummy. And now what I'm going to do with the remaining chocolate is I'm going to put some more nuts, some chow mein noodles, and some dried cranberries. I'm going to mix this together and make haystacks. You can use any combination of nuts, dried fruits, and anything else that strikes your fancy. And we call them haystacks because they have all these little slivers of noodles. And they do look like haystacks when they're put together. Just drop them on a tray. And when we're done, we're going to put them in the refrigerator, and they're going to sit for about 20 minutes or so until the chocolate is set. I just pulled this out of the fridge, and the chocolate is firm. And now you can see the possibilities. The strawberries would be great on a platter, a little dessert platter. And you could add the haystacks to it. Very, very simple dessert. For the apricots, it would be nice to put them in little fluted cups and give them as gifts. And for the pretzels, just put them in a cellophane bag, tie it with a ribbon, and you're all set as a little gift. For more recipes and great ideas, go to specialforkblog.com.